Kim Townsel here. Do you want or need a little tiny ultraviolet flashlight? Well, this one is just as simple as it can be. You just twist it on, have the fun, detect what you want to detect, twist it off. Let me show you more details. Check in the text below, and also in the comments I'll provide a link on how you can purchase this product or one similar. It helps me out a little bit if you use that link. Thanks a bunch. Another THRUNIGHT flashlights. Yes, I do like my THRUNIGHT flashlight. This is the Archer UV. There's a QR code if you want to use that to get some more information. Here is the manufacturer's information. So lightweight. More manufacturer's information. It's so tiny. So this, as with the THRUNIGHT products that I've had before, the instructions come in English, Chinese, Dutch, and Japanese. So this is just a fun little UV flashlight. People use them for various purposes. Can be used for detecting pet urine and stains. It's a fluorescent agent. It's fun to use as a black light. Like when I do a clothing lesson at school, I cut the lights off and show the kids what a black light does. You can see he's got the white clothes on, whatever. Has a smooth reflector. Here's your working voltage, material, surface, and the dimensions and the weight. It's so tiny. Here's your specs if you want to stop and check all that stuff out. Has compatible battery, a AA battery not included. Turn it off and on. You simply twist the head to the off or on. Tighten the head for on, loosen for off. Has a 2-year warranty. And don't shine it at somebody's eyes. Look how tiny that is. So it does not have the battery in it. Let me get one to put in there. It's cute, isn't it? Has a little place if you want to put a ring in there, or a little something to hold it with. It's not included in this one. We bought a bunch of batteries when grandkids were in town. Drop it in. Screw it on. And we have a light. Cut it off, twist it off, twist it on. Doesn't get simpler than that, does it? Let's go test it in the darkest room in my house. This isn't the darkest room, and it's still pretty light outside because it's only 4:30. Let's see if it'll work in here. Twist it on. Ooh, look at that. You can see the white. Afraid to look and see if we've got like urine stains or whatnot. Look at that label. That's what I wanted to check, was this bedspread. Bedspread's got like a lot of white on it. Okay, that's kind of disturbing. Can you see that stuff on my door? Like, what is all that? I'm afraid to ask. I'm actually afraid to know. This is actually the darkest room in my house. There's toilet paper, the toilet, and I happen to know that there's some blood stains on this stool. I wanted to see if it would pick them up. It's picking up pieces where the paint's flaked off. There's a piece of cellophane tape on there for some reason. And it looks green, so I can't really tell where blood is. Can't tell the spots I'm seeing are blood or just, so I'm gonna cut the light on and see. So let's see if this blood shows up. This doesn't really glow in the dark like I thought it would. You can see there's some blood stains on that from an old incident that happened. But other than just illuminating them as dark, it's not making them pop. But it's fun to play with. It's a low power little LED light. Have a little bit of fun with it. Especially with kids at a party or something like that. I shouldn't have any urine stains on my carpet because I don't have pets and don't have kids. Clean the carpet all the time. I did find some pieces of trash on my floor that I didn't know were there. Well, that's pretty interesting. I didn't know what that was when I first saw it, but kind of cool. I wonder what this will do to my hair. Thanks for watching my video about the Archer UV flashlight. Remember, it's free to give the video a thumbs up. It's free to leave a comment. Check in the text below and I'll provide a link on how you can buy this or one similar for you or someone that you care about. And remember, until we meet again, let's just find each other, help each other find ways to keep the world a brighter place. You have time before you go watch another video. Thanks very much. Bye.